Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Simply defined, a pivot table is a tool built into Excel that allows you to summarize large quantities of data quickly and easily. Given an input table with tens, hundreds, or even thousands of rows, pivot tables allow you to extract answers to a series of basic questions about your data with minimal effort.
Take our lead.
Pivot tables are one of the most powerful features of Excel, and are something that every serious user of Excel should know how to use. Pivot tables are also one of the most difficult features to figure out, unless you have some help.
Take our lead.
In the pivot table, click any field in the column that contains the items that you want to sort. On the Data tab, under Sort and Filter, click the arrow next to Sort, and then click the sort order that you want. Note, you can also quickly sort data in ascending or descending order by clicking A to Z or Z to A.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A pivot table is a special type of summary table that's unique to Excel. Pivot tables are great for summarizing values in a table because they do their magic without making you create formulas to perform the calculations. Click the Pivot Table button in the Tables group on the Insert tab.
Let's help you make your mark.
Manually create a pivot table. Click a cell in the source data or table range. Go to Insert, Recommended Pivot Table. Excel analyzes your data and presents you with several options, like in this example using the household expense data. Select the pivot table that looks best to you and press OK.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.